3 live. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Zones, right? Okay. So based on price. This is your price. This is your stop loss. Yes. Something like this. This one should be up like that. So we don't do something like this. Okay. So this is your trade, and if there is a zone, we inside the zones. They shouldn't be outside the zones. Okay. They can be outside the zone at a particular. Take this sell trade and trade inside this below. Now let's look at the types of zones. So let's squeeze the chart. Well, I'm just squeezing the chart. Okay. You see there are so many lines on the chart. Right. So the first type of zone that we major zones. So we have two types: major, and another minor. Oh, okay. Then we have micro, the micro. Basically, we have, all right, here on the left are the sell zones. I'm not on desk. If you understand the rule, perfect. Major zones are zones that we expect that price will make serious reactions inside that zone. Serious reactions. Okay, first of all, we always advise that you put in some units based on your account size. You have to wait. If your account size is big enough, you can put in some unit of risk in the zones because the low price of your account. You can put in units are and you don't know actively. You'll get to know how this works. So you put in some units inside this zone. Okay. Then you wait. MolarGold Signal. Okay. But zones. So we have some levels which are called target levels. They are not take profit levels. They are target levels. Understand this. Understand this. Levels are different. So please understand this. Okay? All right. So when you take major zone, you always look major target levels. However, you don't need to wait till price get to the target because it's going to take days and we're going to have a lot of trades within that. I hardly draw them, minor zones. So I'm not going to explain the minor zones. Then we have micro zones. Whenever you take micro zones are 40 to 50 pips start taking your profits. Get loans. So some positions if you want on the trade zones and major zones, watch out levels. So what is a watch out level? These levels are very crucial because when you do any of them and decide to take all your profit, even your positions, to take some profit and break is at your watch out level. Price can react, protected yourself, maybe here like this. Wait. Okay, into this very zone, right? Price takes off from the zone, right? Are we good? Are we? Then we, and I will not say anything about micro zone, minor zone. Now, you see these lines. They always have alerts on. So even if you are not watching the chart and you hear the alert, you know that something is happening. And note, the target levels, they are very powerful. When price trigger the third one, very strong reaction. So best thing when you are getting of the actions you want to take. When the arrow is above the zone, we say it is fair that they love to take risk. So what have they trade and ride it, right? So that's basically it. Now that we know the rules pertaining all the zones, what a watch out level is, how all these things work. It means that it effectively, uninteractively, right? All right, so this is how